In this video, we will explore some fundamental PHP array functions. We will be focusing on basic array manipulation techniques. These functions will allow you to easily manipulate arrays in your PHP scripts. The functions we will be covering are count, array push, array pop, array shift, and array unshift. The count function is used to determine the number of elements present in an array. Here's an example. First, we have a variable named fruits, which is an array containing the elements apple, banana, and orange. To find out the total number of elements in the fruits array, we use the count function, passing the fruits array as its argument, and assign the result to the variable total. Now, if we echo the value of total, the output will be 3 because there are 3 elements in the array. Also, if we have an empty array and use the count function on it, the output will be 0. The array push function is used to add one or more elements to the end of an array. Here's how it works. First, let's consider an array named colors, which initially contains the elements red and blue. To add the element green to the end of the colors array, we use the array push function. We pass the colors array as the first argument and the element green as the second argument. After executing this line, if we print the contents of the colors array, the output will be red, blue, and green. We can also add multiple elements at once. To add the elements yellow and purple to the end of the colors array, we again use the array push function, passing the colors array as the first argument, followed by the elements yellow and purple as additional arguments. After this operation, when we print the colors array, the output will be red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. The array pop function is used to remove the last element from an array and returns the removed element. Let's see how it works. Suppose we have an array named numbers which contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To remove the last element from the numbers array, we use the array pop function, passing the numbers array as its argument, and assign the result to the variable last element. Now, if we echo the value of the last element, the output will be 5 because 5 was the last element in the array. If we then print the contents of the numbers array, the output will be 1, 2, 3, and 4 without the 5. If the array is empty and we try to use array pop, then it will return null. The array shift function is used to remove the first element from an array and returns the removed element, reindexing the array. Let's take a look at an example. Consider an array named animals, which contains the elements cat, dog, and bird. To remove the first element from the animals array, we use the array shift function, passing the animals array as its argument, and assign the result to the variable first element. Now, if we echo the value of first element, the output will be cat, because cat was the first element in the array. If we then print the contents of the animals array, the output will be dog and bird, without the cat. The array shift function also reindexes numeric keys. So if the keys are 10, 20, and 30 and their corresponding values are A, B, and C, then after using array shift, the keys will become 0 and 1. The array unshift function is used to add one or more elements to the beginning of an array. It also reindexes the array numerically. Here's how it works. Let's start with an array named tasks, which initially contains the elements task2 and task3. To add the element task1 to the beginning of the tasks array, we use the array unshift function. We pass the tasks array as the first argument and the element task1 as the second argument. After executing this line, if we print the contents of the tasks array, the output will be task1, task2, and task3. Similar to array push, we can also add multiple elements at once using array unshift. To add the elements urgent and priority to the beginning of the tasks array, we again use the array unshift function, passing the tasks array as the first argument, followed by the elements urgent and priority as additional arguments. After this operation, when we print the tasks array, the output will be urgent, priority, task1, task2, and task3. If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.